Let's try to get this tire. As you can see, it is well off of the rim. Try to get that back on as easy as we can. I want to make sure I clean up in there. Just got some WD-40. Here's a trick. There needs to be a way for you to squeeze this tire up enough to where this rubber presses up against the rim, and then while that's there, you can throw air in it and it will hold it. Let's center it. As best we can. I think that's okay. There we go. And we are all good. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. And if you enjoy content like this, if you hit that subscribe button, I promise you, consistency, and I won't let you down, or at least I'll try not to let you down. So thank you in advance for all the subscriptions. As always, I appreciate you guys joining. And until the next one, guys, later. Peace.